Hi, this is Jared from Shoenome, and today I want to do a quick video on importing templates and work environments into ARCHICAD. These are both questions I get fairly regularly, so I wanted to have a video explaining how to do that. First thing you're going to do is go out and get the template and work environment. One good place to do that is shoenome.com, where you can download my work environment and my template. Once you do that, you'll take the files and move them to wherever you store all your Office standards and ARCHICAD related files. The template is going to be a TPL file. It's important to note that if you just double click on this file, your computer probably won't recognize it as an ARCHICAD file. On Macs, it will often try to be opened by an Adobe product. I'm not sure if it's the same with PC. So that's one stumbling block people run into, where they download the file, they double click on it, thinking it's an ARCHICAD file that ARCHICAD will recognize, and it doesn't work that way. So we have to do a different process. The profile is going to come in as a zip file. Go ahead and double click that to extract the folder, and now you're good to go. So we're going to go to ARCHICAD, start it up, we'll get the splash page. We're going to hit new, and we're going to get the new project dialog box. You can also get this from going File, New at any point. Top line here will be templates. We're going to go select that. You'll see all your existing templates, but in this case, we want to add a new one. So we'll go Browse Template and go to wherever you store that template. Select the TPL file, hit select. It's going to show up in your list, and you're good to go. Now, before we hit new, I just want to talk about this dialog box real quick. You can also start a file from latest project settings. Never do that. That's not good. Start with template. And then work environment profile, you can use last used, default. Either one should be the same, because you should always be using your default template. Okay, now we're going to hit new. And ARCHICAD will start up with a clean file started from your template. Now at any point, you can go new and just select that template from your drop-down menu. That's how we do templates. Now let's talk about work environments. So we're going to go up to Options, Work Environment, and pull up the Work Environment dialog box. Here's your stored profiles there. We're going to go over to the right and click Import. We're going to browse and find that folder with the profile that you had extracted from the zip file. We're going to select the primary folder. We don't need to select any of these sub ones. Select that, hit Choose. It will show you any profiles that are in there. Select the one you want, hit Import. It'll show up in your stored profiles list. You select it, hit Apply Schemes of Profile, assuming you want to use it, and then also set as default. Your default one will have a little check mark on it. Now every time you open up ARCHICAD, that will be the work environment you have. And that's it. That's how you add a new template and add a new work environment to ARCHICAD. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.